to the part 2 of this incredible walking tour. Now, if you're just joining this video from this part, pause. Maybe you should consider watching the part 1 so that you can see this incredible ship take off. But if you want to start here, that's still okay. Let's go. So this is the Canada Place that we just left from the other side. From the other side, the shape actually looks like a cruise ship itself. I love how the beds are hustling for their own food. They're like, everything can be happening here today and we won't eat good. Rents bikes over there, and this thing here is called the drop. Looks like a teardrop that fell from the sky. The Vancouver drop. So this is what the drop is about. This is the drop all the way up.
I know, but I mean just like the side to side when you landed. Rough.
And of course you have various football fans. People from all parts of the world are currently here in Vancouver because of the World Cup. So the seaplanes, it's called Harbour Air. You can have a guided seaplane tour. Basically, this is something that you can pay to ride. It's a great way to see Canada, Vancouver rather. Private yachts where people have their yachts parked. So from at the top of that view, you can have like a top view of this entire Canada Place. By the way, this building is called the Vancouver Convention Center. This building over here. It's called the Vancouver Convention Center. You can rent a bike down there, just like these guys, and cycle around the area if you want to. There are several areas where you can rent a bike. You can also rent that scooter, that electric scooter that just passed. You can rent that as well. Guys, there's just so much to do around here. For the stoplight. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, so we are still at the Canada Place / Vancouver Convention Center. So something is happening over there. It's a viewing center for the World Cup. Yeah. So this is like a little fan zone. Like a little fan zone for the World Cup. This is Discover Winnipeg, Canada. Oh. and that is the Olympic Cauldron. So this was where the Olympic torch was lit the last or the time Canada hosted the Olympics here in Vancouver. So here it's called the Olympic Cauldron. Such a historic site. So yeah, this has been turned to a fan zone, and yeah, you can watch the World Cup there, and people are just here enjoying themselves. It's really a great time to be in Vancouver right now. Bonus points: the iced mango matcha at this convention center is amazing. I highly recommend, especially if you're visiting on a sunny day. 100% recommend. Really amazing. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. It's been fun taking you guys along on this World Cup trip. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.